Lot 221, the 1953 Bentley R-Type Continental Fastback Sports Saloon, the greatest, most exclusive grand touring car of its day. You'll immediately notice this car has the sought-after lightweight seats and spats, as ordered new by none other than Aristotle Onassis himself, who is pictured with it in front of a hotel in Monte Carlo. Longtime chairman of the Pebble Beach Concours, J. Heumann, owned this car as well, and its exquisite restoration in its original colors was done by the preeminent shop of Vantage Motorworks, Aristotle Onassis' Bentley R-Type.
Thank you very much, Alan. What can we say, ladies and gentlemen? Where should we open the bidding on this magnificent Bentley R-Type? Let's open the bidding at $400,000. Thank you, $400,000 I have. At $400,000. I have $500,000 anywhere now. $400,000, $500,000. Thank you, sir. At $500,000. I have $600,000 I'll take. At $600,000. $700,000. Thank you. At $700,000. I have $800,000. Thank you. At $800,000. $900,000. I'll come to you in a minute at $900,000. Do I have $1 million now? $950,000. Do I have $1 million from you now? I know. Well, at $950,000, I might have $1 million on the telephone. $975,000 I bid on the telephone at $975,000. Do I have $1 million now? We're at $975,000. The bids on the telephone is against you in the room. Selling all the way, of course, ladies and gentlemen. Make absolutely no mistake. At $975,000. Well, I'm going to sell the car. Is that $1 million then? $985,000 on my left. Do I have $1 million on the telephone now? At $985,000, it's in the room and selling, of course, at $985,000. $1 million. Thank you, Barney. At $1 million I have here. Selling all the way, of course, ladies and gentlemen. Make absolutely no mistake. At $1 million. Well, I'm selling it then. It's going for the first time, ladies and gentlemen. It's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen, then. $1,025,000. Thank you. New bidder coming in at $1,025,000. Do I have $1,050,000 now? It's on the telephone. It's at $1,025,000. Do I have $1,050,000? $1,050,000. Thank you. Telephones, you're out. The bid's back in here with me in the room at $1,050,000. Do I have $1,075,000 from you now, Gordon? We're at $1,050,000 and it's in the room on the aisle and selling all the way, of course, at $1,050,000. Don't, I beg your pardon, $1,060,000. Terrible. I know. I will have words with him after the auction. I absolutely will. I don't know what's going on that telephone bid desk tonight, but that's not what I planned. Shall we bid $1,070,000, sir? Yes, absolutely. Very good idea. $1,070,000. What should we say, Gord? Do I have $1,080,000? Well, at $1,070,000, I'm selling here $1,080,000. I know. I'm as disappointed in him as you are, sir. Honestly, I am. Believe me, I say it with all my heart. Sir, shall we bid $1.1 million? Let's blow them out of the water. Okay, then let's bid $1,090,000. Is that more reasonable for you? I don't want to upset you in any way. What should we say, sir? $1,090,000 I have. He's back in with me. $1,090,000 is back in the room again. Telephone, do I have $1,100,000 now from you? $1.1 million he's bid me. It's his car, is it? Well, we tried hard, and thank you for the bids. At $1,100,000, I don't dare ask him again. It's going on the telephone, and it's selling all the way. It's going for the first time. Wait at me if you change your mind. It's going for the second time, third and last time. $1,100,000. Are you all done? All finished? Sold your car. Well done. Thank you, Gord. 7820, $1.1 million.